coming from. Welcome all. I hope you are doing fine and you're doing well, whichever part of the country, whichever part of the world you are coming from. So, welcome to all of you. My name is Jathan Anthony. I'm from Bangalore. I would like to tell you more about myself towards the end. So, let's get started with what you came here for, right? So, many of you might have come here to understand what this opportunity is all about. So, before I tell you what this opportunity is all about, maybe they might have sent you a link, maybe they might have sent you a flyer, maybe they might have told you that something big is going to be shared with you. So if you are somebody who's looking to, learn about the financial markets, you are at the right place. If you are somebody who's looking to grow your finances, grow your financial knowledge, grow your financial literacy, you are in the right place. If you are somebody who's looking to become an investor or learn about investing also, then you are in the right place. And if you are somebody who's willing, who is looking forward to looking for a platform to grow your circle, grow your friend circle, grow whatever it is that you want to grow in the financial world or in the financial markets aspects. So we are here to help you with that. All right. So feel free to ask me any questions, but not during the session, but after once I'm done, we're going to be giving you some time to ask any type of questions that you have. And we're going to be showing you what this opportunity is all about and how it's going to be helping you. All right. So so the opportunity's name, as you would have seen on the screen. If my screen is visible to you, just type 1 in the chat box, or if any of the co-hosts can just confirm to me if my screen is visible.
Yes, you can continue.
All right. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. So as you guys can see, the opportunity's name is IX Global, right? So they have a motto which is called as innovate, inspire, and impact. So all they want to do is innovate, find out new things, bring in innovation into the world, inspire a lot of people, and impact a lot of people's lives as well. So how does this work? Before we get into that, who manages this and how does this run exactly? So let me give you some briefing on that. So what you can see on your screen over here is some of the board members, people who are part of the management team of this big organization called IX Global. So as you can see in the center, the founder and the CEO, his name is Joe Martinez. He has a lot of corporate experience, and he has been in the SEAL, in the Navy as well, and he has a lot of experience in advising companies and providing a lot of different knowledge about different sectors to different companies. And he has also been in the field, involved in the sales, involved in many other things as well in his past. And recently, around 2.5 years ago, he started with this organization called IX Global, and he has broken a lot of records. As you can see, if you can take a screenshot and maybe go through it later, you would love it, right? And you can follow him on Instagram as well to find out more about him. And there are a lot of other board members as well. As you can see, the president, Paul Barlow, Ozzy Thomas, who's the marketing director, and all of that. There are a lot of people who are taking care of a lot of things here, right? So before that, what is this IX? Now, if I'm talking so much about it, what is there in this exactly? So we have an ecosystem where we provide you a lot of things. So what are those things? So the first thing is that they provide you education and knowledge about the financial market. Second thing, they also provide you education about e-commerce, blockchain, and NFTs. These are some of the topics that I'm going to be covering right now. So for the next 15 minutes, I just want you to make sure that you're glued onto the screen and understanding every single thing that I'm going to tell you. All right. So community and leadership, technology and social network, these are all the areas in which they're going to give you some exposure. All right. So if you talk about the financial markets, many of you might have heard about crypto, you might have heard about stocks in the past few weeks. Especially, you would have heard about Bitcoin going down, you would have heard about this going up, you would have heard about the stock markets crashing, you would have heard about something, gold prices going up, you would have heard about inflation going up, right? So how is all of this affecting these markets, and how are people losing money, and how are people making money? So if you understand that, you can be profitable almost all the time, right? So what is this financial markets? What you're going to learn about it is what I'm going to brief you right now. So you'll be getting live education about the financial markets. Let it be stocks, let it be crypto, let it be forex. About all of these markets, you're going to be getting live education in the sense you're going to learn about these markets, how to trade in these markets, what is technical analysis, what is fundamental analysis, how do I analyze these markets, and how do I become profitable from it. All right. So you're going to be getting this education live as well, on maybe your phone or on your laptop, wherever it is, whichever part of the world you are from. You just need your phone and your laptop to learn from here. And if you're somebody who doesn't have that much time to plug into the live sessions, we have recorded sessions as well. We have a proper academy where you'll be learning about all of this from the basic to the advanced level. Even if you are somebody who has no knowledge about the markets, you don't know anything about the markets, like I was a new person to this financial markets industry, to the fintech world. world about a year ago, year and a half ago, but I've educated myself properly over the last years, right? So you will also get a similar type of education, and also you're going to be getting one super huge advantage, which I'm going to be showing you next. All right. So if you're somebody who's scared of trading, usually people call trading as gambling, right? It's not really gambling when you know what you're doing. All right. So what is trading exactly and how you can take advantage of these markets? Like I said, either by your own analysis, or we will provide you alerts through which you can just copy paste and make profits on a regular basis. If you are somebody who wants to make profits with the very little time that you are willing to invest, all you have to do is copy paste the alerts which you get, and you can be profitable almost 80 to 90%. Last week we had almost 100% result. Before that as well we had 100%. But as you know, the markets go up and down, so you can if you are going to use our services, you will definitely be profitable most of the time, right? And if you are somebody who doesn't have that much time to trade on your own, you don't want to manually trade on your own, but you still want to generate the profits which most traders are generating, then we have an option where you can use our automated service, a fully automated software which we call as Cloud Trade, or FiboFi is the name of the software. So using that, you can generate almost 5 to 15% returns on a monthly basis. As mentioned here, it's mentioned almost 5 to 20% using our automated systems. All you have to do is park your funds. Understand, this is not an investment plan. I want to give you a proper disclaimer. This is not an investment opportunity. This is not a ROI plan or anything like that. This is a proper place where trading is involved, where you'll either learn about trading, where you can make an active income. The second option, where you can use our automated services, that is just park your funds. No investing. Like I said, you just have to park your funds and you can generate profits on that on a regular basis. All right, on a daily basis, sometimes weekly basis, and sometimes on a monthly basis as well. So overall, you can generate almost 5 to 20% on a monthly basis. So moving ahead, we also provide you education about the e-commerce. If you are somebody who wants to set up your own portal, let's say you want to set up your own portal, you want to maybe learn about how to sell products online. If you want to learn drop shipping, if you want to generate an extra income using drop shipping as well, using the e-commerce platforms as well, because you know that most of the retail stores are going to be closed in the next 5 to 10 years, and every single thing is going to become online, right? As you're seeing the changes as well. So ICOM is another service which we provide, where we will teach you how to do this drop shipping. And if you are somebody who says that, no, I want that also to be automated for me, then yes, at an extra charge, we provide you that as well, where we can generate customize a store for you, where we can set up everything for you, get it automated, you will have to pay a charge for that. All right. So moving ahead, we have this thing called Travel Pro, which is again included in one of our higher versions, where you can get 5 to 40% cash back on your travel, on your trips. Maybe if you're somebody who likes traveling a lot, and you buy a lot of packages on a regular basis, travel packages, and if you're somebody who is traveling but is wasting a lot of money on it, then you can look forward to this, and you can make you can save up a lot of money using these platforms as well. All right. And one of the most interesting things in the world right now, and one of the most trending things in the world right now, which I know about, and which maybe some of you know about, the blockchain and NFT world, right? You would have seen people selling monkeys. You would have seen people selling just taking a photo of some random thing and selling it online. Yes, NFTs. NFT is nothing but a non-fungible token. You would have heard about it. If you have not heard about it, no problem. You can get yourself educated about it over here as well. How the blockchain world works. How is this blockchain exactly? How does it work? How can I be profitable from it? You will learn about that as well. So what do we have in the blockchain and NFT space? We have something called a game called Crypto Land. It's called a P2E game where you play to earn. Through our partnership with this organization called Crypto Land, we are going to be launching a game. You can check out more details about it on our website. But as you know, we are launching a game. So in this game, like maybe you might have played Clash of Clans or something like that. So you have avatars, you have weapons, you have land over here. So if you claim the most land, or maybe if you play well and you improve the quality of your character, you collect rare weapons, you collect whatever you can, and improve the value of your character. You can flip that character and make money from that as well, right? So that's another option which you have, where you can get into P2E gaming. If you're somebody who has a kid and you feel that your kid is wasting too much time on gaming and not gaining anything from it, well, from now, let me tell you, your kid also can make you profitable. All right, moving ahead, we have another what to say, state of the art technology called Xnode. What is this Xnode exactly? So before I brief you more about this, I want to tell you that maybe you might have heard about cryptocurrencies, right? You might have heard about Bitcoin. You know that everything works on the in everything in that world, in the cryptocurrency world, works on the blockchain technology, right? So what is this blockchain exactly? Now, I won't give you knowledge about that right now. I would suggest you to plug into our services, plug into our academy. You'll get more knowledge about it. But I'll just give you an overview. So how does this work? If you're somebody who knows about cryptocurrencies, you know that the markets have been crashing recently. So all those people who put in money in the last 1 year have been facing a lot of losses being an investor. But if you're somebody who's still, believing on in the cryptocurrency world, if you're somebody who's willing to grow your money in the cryptocurrency world, then we have a different type of way for you to keep you profitable. So that is through mining. Now, when I say mining, obviously you might have watched this movie called KGF, where you would have seen that guy pop up 9 mines, and then he was behind the mines and he was telling more people to mine more gold, mine more gold. So what I'm trying to give you an example through that is that if you want to mine in the digital space, you need to have a supercomputer, big servers, you need to have a lot of energy, you need to have a lot of electricity, you need to have a super fast Wi-Fi, you need to have good processors and all of that. So all of this is cut down by this organization called DET. Is basically decentralized eco-friendly blockchain technology. That's the full form of their company's name. And we have tied up with them, and they have launched this product called Xnode. All right, how that works is we have this thing called commodities in the real world. So we have brought that in the virtual world as well. So what we do is we have partnered for this project called Black Gold. We have partnered with this company called Western Oil. So what that does is that they look for reserves. Basically, as you know, black gold is also like you can say a fossil fuel or something like that. And what they do is that they look for these reserves, oil reserves, basically. So we help them in finding those reserves faster, because we are going to buy some licenses, and they are going to help us in doing the mining much faster using their servers, and they're going to return us. Basically, when we mine, what are we mining for? They provide us with tokens in return, which are called as black gold in this case. And we have another token called grow. We have some tokens called natg, then debts, and so many other things which are going to be launched in the future as well. So basically, if I ask you, have you ever seen Bitcoin in the real world? Have you physically touched it and seen it? No. But if I ask you, have you seen natural gas? Yes, you would have seen it being used in many vehicles. You would have seen a gold in real world. Obviously, you might be wearing some gold also right now. So similarly, what I'm trying to tell you is that we have connected the commodities in the real world to the cryptocurrencies in the virtual world. All right. So crypto meets commodities is our tagline, and you can be super profitable by mining itself. So there are two ways in which you can make money here. One is when the token's value goes up, you make money that way. And second is when you're mining on a regular basis, daily, your token numbers, the number of your tokens are increasing on a daily basis. So you will be profitable in both ways. So you have an option to make money all the way, right? So like I was telling you about NatG, natural gas is another token which we have launched as well, another project which we have launched. So like this, we have so many other things. More details, like I said, we will provide you in the future as well. And we have a community as well, where we have an entrepreneurial community where we help you in leveraging the advantage, the basically the leadership qualities and the skills which other people have. You can leverage those skills, learn it from them, and you can use it in duplicating it in your circle or wherever you want to do it. All right. And moving ahead, Mindshift is another program which we have where people teach you how to develop your mindset, how to become more positive in life, daily life podcasts, and all of these other things. Coaches will be teaching you about how to develop yourself, how to improve your mindset, like I was saying, and maybe your financial knowledge in different sectors, different aspects. They'll be providing you that development. And also we don't just educate you, we also provide you with a lot of adventure, sports, and travel experiences as well, through this system called leadership, called Awaken. So basically, this is a leadership retreat. How does this work? It's an all-inclusive retreat which is sponsored by IX, which we provide you adventure activities, leadership trainings, yacht parties, VIP dinners, celebration with IX executives and the founder, and many other things. All right. So all of these services which I showed you, let it be the trading services where we teach you how to trade and you can trade on your own. That's one service. The second service is where you can just park your funds and be profitable on a regular basis. Like I said, 5 to 15% on a monthly basis. If you go with manual trading, you can increase your profits based on your risk capital and all of that. All right. So as you can see, all of these services, obviously, it's going to be coming at a cost. Maybe you might have heard about Spotify, you might have heard about YouTube Premium, you might have heard about so many other things which provide premium services at a subscription cost, right? So we also provide you some services as well, and we do have a proper subscription model towards it. So as you can see, my cursors point towards the basic, pro, and the premium. V is a add-on package which we have. So the activation cost for this is $115, $145, $180. So right now I'm just going to be showing you the basic and the pro. So how is this going to benefit you? Basically, you'll be getting commission eligibility. What is this commission eligibility? I'll be telling you next. IX Social app, where you can socialize with a lot of our members in the community. IX Academy, where you can get access to all of the knowledge which is required for you in the financial markets, in the e-commerce, in the blockchain NFT space. Live education, like I said, you'll be getting in the basic package, you'll be getting 2 alerts channels using which you can just copy paste and make money on a regular basis. Then in the pro, you'll be getting some more services like CoPro 10 channels, Empire IX, ICOM, Travel Pro, so many other things. All right. And in both the basic and in the pro, you'll be getting something called cloud trade option. A cloud trade is basically, like I told you, the automated facility which you're getting, where you can generate 5 to 15% almost on a monthly basis. All right. So both of these packages, they have a value of $115 and $145 each. So if you go with let's say you're somebody who's starting off newly and you don't know anything about trading, we would suggest you to go with the basic, and then as you learn, then you can move on to the pro as well. So we have an option, like I said, when I told you there's an option where you can make a commission also over here. Basically, we have a superb referral model, where using this referral model, you can increase your ways of earning. The first way of earning, what we provide you over here, is where you can trade on your own and make money. Second option is where you can put your automated software to work. That is a FiboFi software. You can put that to work using the automation. You can make profits from there. Third option is this, where you have an option without without a lot of investment, you can start a business, your digital business. Basically, you don't have to set up a shop, nothing. Just by sitting from the comfort of your home, all you have to do is share the benefits, what you got from the services, share it with anybody. And the first income that you can start generating on spot is, let's say somebody takes the basic pack, you'll be getting a direct $5 bonus. So that is a direct bonus which you'll be getting as soon as the person gets enrolled. You'll be getting this bonus instantly. $5 to $15 is the bonus that you can make here. And then you get something called an apprentice bonus as soon as you have sponsored 3 people. Let's say you started, you sponsored 1, you sponsored 2, you sponsored 3. You referred this opportunity to 3 people. And as soon as you're done with 3, in the first 4 weeks, if let's say suppose you do this in the first 4 weeks, then you'll be getting around $100 in that in the 4th week itself. And if let's say these 3 people renew their subscription every 4 weeks, then every 4 weeks you're going to be getting $100 extra along with the $5 which you were getting initially. So total around 115 to $145. You know what's the best part? You can use this in order to pay for your subscription as well. You can use that $115 which you made, which will come up in your wallet. You can use that to pay for your subscription as well. So basically, your subscription is waived off indirectly. All right. So that's what you would have understood. Moving ahead, you can see something called the rank bonus. Now, what is this rank bonus? As you can see on the screen, as soon as you refer 3 people, you become an apprentice. And once these 3 people, let's say they target for their apprentice in order to generate a commission from here, they like the services, they shared it with their friends, and their friends also like the services, they got started, they were interested in making an extra income, or growing their current funds or whatever it is. So totally, let's say you made a team of 12 people, 3 on your first level, and they sponsored 3 each, or it can be in any way. All right. So whichever it is, you'll be making overall around $87.5 on a weekly basis, which comes up to around $350 on a monthly basis, plus your previous $100, which is close to $450. And along with that, once you hit the builder rank, you can start getting something called team commission, which is whenever you get one on your left and one on your right. These 12 people, you will be placing them in 2 teams basically, and one is your left team and one is your right team. So obviously you have only 2 hands and 2 legs. Similarly, you have 2 teams over here, one is your left and one is on your right. So whenever you complete a matching, whenever you match 1:1, you got one on your left, you got one on your right. Whenever a matching happens, you get $8 to $12 for this. You get $8 to $12 per match that you complete. So once you complete your builder rank, you would have made an overall of around $500. $500 on a monthly basis is close to the average. It's more than the average income of any Indian today in the market. All right. And it's more than the average income of most of the people in the market today. All right. All across the globe. So this is the option that you have with you. So this is the way that you can make commission. This is the compensation table. Different tables are there. I'll just brief you on the entire compensation now. So when you have 3 clients, you'll be making $100 monthly. When you have 12 clients, you'll be making close to $500. Like I said, 87.5 weekly plus $100 monthly plus another 52, close to $500. When you have 40 clients through your team, all right, through your team, let's say you built it further, you educated them, you told them how to do it, so you'll be making close to $1,000 on a monthly basis. Once you build a team of 120, you'll be making $2,000, and so on. By the time I finish reading all of this, I think you would have, lost count of the dollars that you're going to make. Anyways, moving ahead, guys. So as I was telling you, you can make a lot of money through the compensation plan as well. I've shown you all the three options where you can make money in different ways. Before I tell you more about more people, before I share with you about who are the people who have actually got some good success from here, I'm going to make you meet them as well. But before that, you would want to know, how can I get my money to my account? This commission, what I'm earning, how can I get it to my account? So basically, you can get it through your bank. You can get it through PayPal, USDT, or Bitcoin, any one of the options that you want to. All right. So moving on, who are the three people who get started with us? Usually the three types of people who get started with us. One type of person is that person who, let's say he's somebody who just wants to use the services, learn about trading, and maybe make some profits using trading, using the trading services as well. You can definitely go ahead with that. All right. So the second option, the second type of person who says that I don't have much time to trade, but I'm willing to park some funds. I have some funds which I'm willing to park and generate profits on that. So that is also another option which you have. The third option which you have is where you can use all the three services. You can use the trading services, the manual trading services. You can also take in our automation, and plus you can start sharing this opportunity and make a residual income as well. Now, before I wind up the presentation, I would like to bring on some people on the call to tell you more about themselves. So the first person we have today is Mr. Naveen Swami. Sir, if you are with me, you can just unmute yourself and share your journey of IX Global with the people out here. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. I'm audible?
Yes, you're clearly
Am I
audible.
audible? Okay, thank you so much. So thank you, Anthony, sir. You did the very well presentation. It was very crisp and to the point. Thank you so much. So friends, 1 minute. I'm really sorry. So thank you so much, Anthony, sir. Your presentation was very crisp and it was to the point. Thank you so much for that. And good evening, friends. Myself, Naveen Swami. I'd like to tell you all about myself. So myself, Naveen Swami, and I am basically from Rajasthan, and I came from very middle class family. So I started this journey almost 15 months back, and till today, it is a very great journey I had till now. So I would like to tell you, friends, before going ahead, I'd just like to share my screen and share my results here. 1 minute. Anthony, sir, screen is visible.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. So friends, as you all can see, this is my account. This is my referral income, which I'm going to share with you. This is my name, Mr. Naveen Swami. And currently I have almost around $1,200, which is approximately 1 lakh rupees in Indian rupees. So here you can see, as I told you, this is a 15-month journey. And I started 15 months back. And there are, as Mr. Anthony told you, there are different kind of business, different kind of incomes, binary bonus, rent bonus, and all those. So here you can see I have binary bonus of almost 10,977, rank bonus of 4,762, sponsor bonus, VIP bonus. So just to save the time, what I've done is I have calculated the total income which I have already made in last 15 months is this thing. It is $22,894. Yes, friend, this is in dollars, and this is the income of 15 months in total, right? So if I multiply this by today's rate, which is approximately 77 rupees per dollar, so this comes to 17,62,000 rupees in total in last 15 months. And if I divide this by 15, so the total income approximately comes as 1,17,000 per month income, right? So this is just the one model. As you have heard of, like we have three options. We have manual trading, we have automation service, we have referral income, and there are other products also through which you can make the money. So I started this journey 15 months back, and by profession I am a chartered accountant. So people ask me, when I started, most of the people used to say that being, I mean, from very educated background or being a chartered accountant, this is not your cup of tea, or this is not for you. Actually, people used to say this is not for you, right? Network marketing business or direct selling business is not for the educated people. So uh, what happened is I just started without listening to anyone. I just started. I followed my mentor. I would like to thank here Mr. Sunil Chaurasia ji, Mahendra Gupta ji, and Sunil Ranveer sir, who gave me the vision that Naveen, you'll be very big in the business. Just start. And it took at least 3 months for me to start the business, because initially I didn't have any kind of faith in the system, right? So special thanks to Mr. Ranveer sir. I used to have a call at morning 8 o'clock, and it took me at least 3 months, almost 3 months. It took me to start, and here I am in front of you after 15 months. And the income of last 2 months is more than 2 lakhs rupees per month, right? Many of my friends are there in Dubai, Canada, Australia. Those who are, people leave the country, people leave their state, district, people leave their, country to make money. Though all the people, all of my friends, those who are outside India, they are just there to make money, right? The sole purpose is to make money. In India, you can be there and you can make money. Still, people go to outside India, they go to different countries just to increase their income by double or triple, whatever it is. But this is the best option. Why I say this? Because I am here in India and I'm making, I mean, average 1,20,000 ka income means what? I'm making money since very first day, 4,000 rupees average per day ka income, right? So thank you so much, friends. Thank you, Mr. Anthony sir. You gave me this opportunity to speak almost more than 100 people, and I just want to say that this is the great opportunity. You should start with this. The right person is that one who invited you all in this on this call, and he's the right person to guide you in this business. He wants that you be successful in your business. Whatever you are doing, you can do this business along with your job and profession. So thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you so much. That was crazy, sir. Thank you for sharing your experience with the community as well. Next up, we're having a girl from Mumbai as well. Let's listen to her. Ma'am, if you are able to hear me, Saili ma'am, you can just unmute yourself and get started.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. It was a wonderful testimony and a wonderful presentation also. So I would like to introduce myself. Myself, Saili Vareva. Currently, I'm a student and I belong from Maharashtra, Mumbai and Nanded also. So first of all, let me tell you about myself. I'm a student right now. I told I have completed my last year, 12th standard, and I'm into first year of my education graduation, that is BBA. So I would like to tell you about how I started in this industry. I was working with a freelancing company. I was working as a digital marketer and all those things, but I've never heard about like financial markets and all those things. But one of my client told me about this platform ki aisa kuch hota, you can start about this. And I attended the call. First of all, I would like to tell you about call attend karne ke baad I was blank, totally blank ki is it that okay, ye sari cheeze work hogi and all those things. And I just took the decision to start with this platform before 1 year. And let me tell you, the platform has changed drastically. It has changed my life, and it has already given opportunity to one of the most people over here. You can also see the testimonials. Sir has also told you about that. Let me share you my screen, and I can also share you my screen about how much I have earned through this platform with the different income sources also. Give me a second. Let me share my screen, and I'll explain you the whole concept. Yeah. Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, the referral model which sir has told you, this is my account. It is almost $821 in my account still now. It is my last 2 week income, approximately 60 to 70,000 rupees. We can also calculate the same income which I have earned still now. It is $400 apprentice bonus, binary bonus, and income. You can also see over here, and I can show you my automation account too. You can see wherever I have parked my fund, it is approximately $934 is the last month income. You can check out last week income is approximately $273. Where I'm not working, I'm not giving a single minute, but still I'm earning. And $273, if you calculate, it is approximately more than 20,000. Being a student at the age of 18, 19, to earn 20, 30,000 weekly is not possible. ये किसी का monthly payout भी हो सकता है, right? So I have different models which I through which I earn. I can show you my manual trading profit also. I'm not well at manual trading, but still I'm learning. Last week profit is approximately $167, so it is approximately 10 to 11,000, and that's the system which is providing me all the different kind of sources, income sources. And I also have an NATG which I purchased last month. Sir has told about you, like told you about that grow and all those things license. So you can see over the here, it is approximately $500 in my wallet still now. So if we calculate, give me a second, let us calculate my last month payout. $500 is almost $504 is almost my like license, and 167 is almost my manual trading profit. Give me a second, let me calculate. I have shown you give me a second. Last month profit is $934 of automation, and I have shown you my back office, that is approximately $800. So let me calculate this. Give me a second. $900 plus $800. Let us calculate $2,371 into, if I calculate into 77, it is approximately 1,82,000. It was my last month payout. Give me a second, guys. Yeah. So people who are watching the video over here, those who have come here to understand the concept, let me clear you one thing. People are like, they feel, is it possible to earn this amount of money? So if you're not going to start, you're not going to understand the whole concept. You have to come into this platform. Being a student, if I at the age of 18, 19, if I'm going to do that, why can't you do that? So start this platform. Whoever has invited you, talk to them, just clear the doubts, and you can start with this platform. Thanks to Mr. Santosh Patil sir and my whole mentors and my whole IX family who supported me at every stage of my, whenever I started. I felt sometimes I did not understand the concept, but yes, the family is very superb and amazing, those who always supports, and because of these people I'm here. And thank you so much. Being the student, if I'm earning 2 lakh rupees approximately one for a month through this platform, you can also do it. Try and understand the concept. If you have any kind of doubts, talk to people who has invited you. Thank you so much, sir. Anthony sir, you have presented very well, and it was a wonderful presentation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was crazy. I wish I was making 2 lakh rupees when I was in college. You are it, guys. Come to show you with. Like I said, my name is Jathan Anthony. I was born in Kerala and made in Bangalore. I was literally made in Bangalore, like grew up in Bangalore. So before I get into about what I was doing, I'm a mechanical engineer by profession. I started with engineering about when I was in 2013, and I completed by 2017. I had started building business. I had started with building this similar type of network marketing business approximately 8 years ago, and I've been building it for a long period of time. And now I got into the financial markets approximately 2 years ago. Started with the stock market, then I came into forex a year ago. I just started by, like they told you about automation, like I told you about automation. I had just parked my funds and I started growing it. My friend used to how I started is very tragic, but I would just like to brief you on it. My friend used to come to the gym and he used to tell me, while I was working out, while you worked out, did you make money? He said, I said, no. Then he said, while I was working out, I made $50. I made $100 on a daily, on a weekly basis. He used to increase the number of dollars that he was making while he was working out. And I was like, how is this happening exactly? Tell me more about it. Then when he showed me, I couldn't really believe him. I never trusted what he said. And then with time, what happened was I started learning more about what he was telling me, and then I got some confidence in about 6 months, and then I parked my funds and I grew it. I would just like to show you some of my profits in a graphical format. Give me a sec. Yeah. So as you can see on my screen, these were the profits that I've made till now. As you can see on my screen, around $4,893 in the last 1 year that I've made. And you can see the growth as well. It started with around 1.63% in the initial days, in the initial month that I started, and then it increased on to 2, 3, 5. And as you can see, I've grown my portfolio to more than 150% just in profits, right? To almost 110% already. That this is just the last 11 months, 11 to 12 months, but I had started approximately 15 months ago. So I've made around 150% profit on my portfolio already. I started with around $3,000, and then I grew my account. Recently, I topped up my account because I made a lot of profit. So I thought, why not improve the power of compounding? So I topped up, and I've made a lot of money over the last few months as well. In the last month, especially if you want to ask me, in this month, you can see in this week, I made close to $357, which is written here close to 2.23% in my of profit. In the last 1 month, I made close to 6.83%, which is close to $1,000 approximately. If you talk about in rupees, if you consider, it will be close to 78 to 80,000 rupees just through the automated service, right? Apart from this, I would like to show you another token, which I told you about mining, right? I would just like to show you that. I've withdrawn some funds from here as well. This is a NatG, which I have purchased, some time ago. The mining has crossed approximately $112 in the last 1 month. The previous month I made around $500, and in last 1.5, last 1 month I've made close to, like you can see, 2,97,000 tokens have been mined, and you can see the amount of the value of the NatG. So I make money from here also. See, this up and down will keep happening, like I said, but these tokens mining, as you can see live in front of your eyes, it's increasing, right? So similarly, you also have the option to, okay, I think you didn't see my screen. So sorry, guys. Yeah, now I think you can see it. So this is the mining, which you can see over here. 2,97,000. This is the rewards. And as you can see, close to $112 on my screen. So that's the NatG for you, $114, which I mined till now. This is one more income which I'm generating. Again, all of this is passively. I build businesses also. I do other things also, but all of this income which I showed you is passive income. Actively, I trade as well. I would like to show you that, but due to the shortage of time, I would like to give a chance to more of the people who are there with us. They would share more of their experiences with you. I would like to show you one more thing which I have generated as well. Let me show you. Yeah. So this is my account. This account is in my mom's name, as you can see my mom's name there. So give me a sec. Yeah. So this is the amount which I made in the last 2-3 weeks, last 2.5 to 3 weeks, close to that. I made around 40 to 50,000 rupees just through the networking part, the referral model. And as you can see, these are all the bonuses that I made close to. In the last 3 months, I started networking. First 1 year, I was just using the product. And in the last 3 months, I made more than approximately 3.5 to 4 lakh rupees just through the networking model. All right. So you have an option to make the similar type of money, but for that, you need to first use the services, get to understand it, and then share it with more people so that you can make money through the referral model as well. All right. So like I said, I give you the 3 options, whichever option you want, you can choose with. And I would like to thank the person who introduced me to this opportunity. His name is Kushal Sharma, a crazy personality. You would get to know more about him in the future as well. So thank you so much, guys. I would like to bring in the next speaker for the day. His name is Mr. Kunal Banawat. Sir, if you're online, you can just unmute yourself and
Yes, Jaitan, let me know like I'm properly visible and audible.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, thank you so much. That was a very crisp presentation, Jaitan, first of all. And people, if you are there on this call right now, I hope you have some purpose still left in you and you are searching for some good opportunity here. And I'll introduce myself first of all, and I'll start the journey, like how I started this thing and all. So my name is Kunal Banawat, and I'm from Mumbai, Dahanu, Mumbai. It is in Maharashtra. So by profession, I'm a mechanical engineer. I have completed my education last year. It's almost a year and a half. So while I was in my last years, I saw this opportunity. We were sitting at home. We gave our final semesters sitting at home as well. And while at that time I was looking for an opportunity, I was looking for some investments. I was into stock markets. I was into crypto markets, but I never knew about the forex. One fine day, like I saw a story, a random guy posted a profit in pips. Like there was a story in which like it was mentioned like he was earning on daily basis some pips, some daily forex profit. So I wanted to know about the forex market as well. It is probably world's largest market, and like how could I miss it? So that made me very curious, and I saw this opportunity. I was looking at this opportunity for a month, almost for a month. while side by side, I had my last semesters left, and with that, I was excited. Like when my exams will be over, and I was into this opportunity. So the day I started, like after my exams, the first day I started this opportunity, I started for education purpose completely. I don't know about you, what purpose you are looking for, but yes, I started for the forex education. As a student, I had no investment. Like as Jatan said, he had some amount he parked in automation that which made him profits. But as a student, if you are thinking how you would start this opportunity, that is completely fine. You don't need to have a big amount to start with, or you don't need to have a automation account directly to start with. You can just be a product user and you can start off the IX Global opportunity. So that was my journey. I started this thing. I took the subscription, basic subscription, and I went for the referral model. I was knowing about automation, but I had no money to put in for the automation. I was doing manual trading with small accounts, and I started the option which I had. I had like there was no other option choice for me to earn money. That was referral model because I had to pay off the subscription. So I'll show you my earnings till now, like what made me go for the referral part and what income I put in my automation account. I'll just show you in short. I'll not take more time. So Chetan, just let me know, is my screen visible?
Yep. I can see.
Yeah, okay. So I'll show you the profits which I have made in automation accounts the day when I started. So this is the custom period when I started back in January 2021. And you can see the total deposit, total profit, that is 7,723. Again, I'd like to mention that the automation account, it not just gives only profits because some people have doubts about this. It also gives losses, but yes, the past results are so good that you might end up in profits as well. So you can see 7,723. It is the pure profit in automation what I have got. I'll just show you the referral part what I have made here. First of all, I was not into referral part so much. I was not knowing about the network marketing industry, but yes, as the mentorship and the leadership programs which we have in this community, which really helped me to grow here. So this is my account. You can see I have made almost like the VIP bonus, binary bonus, rank bonus. I have calculated all these things. You can see, I'll just open the calculator and add up this all. So the referral part income which I have made from here, which I was not opting for at the start. Yes, I have almost made $32,000 from it. I'll just add the automation part, which is almost 7,700. I'll take off. That is 7,700. Plus, if you see, I have one NATG license, so that is giving $500. That value of that is $500 right now. So almost I have made around $40,000 in. I just started this around 18 months back. So I'll just multiply this by 75, and here's the calculation that I have made 30 lakhs 11,000 rupees. I don't know, like this income, is it good for you? I don't know. This is how you look at this income right now. But as a student, when I started this thing, I was just here for 10,000, 20,000 odd a month. And now, like you can see, 30 lakhs in 18 or 20 months, 18, 19 months, I have started this thing. And I had a 1 year job experience in Adani Electricity. And now I'm working for this system. I'm building my business over here. And as a student, as a fresher in the market, you won't be getting such opportunity in your life at the beginning of your career. So all the experienced people, they have been into the markets, they have been searching for jobs. But this is the right time. If you get this opportunity, if you are listening this thing, then I don't think so that you should think twice before entering this thing. And whoever have sent you this link for this webinar, you can just straight away walk at him and get more details about it and directly start off the thing, then think whether the decision is right or wrong. So this was my part. This was my journey as a student. So thank you so much, Chetan, again for giving me this opportunity. I would hand over this call to you again.
All right. Thank you so much. Again, guys, you can see young people from different parts of India rocking it, right? So you would have seen that he made close to 30 lakh rupees in the last 18 months. That's like a whooping income. And I'm pretty sure he's making a lot of money right now, close to 4 to 5 lakh rupees on a monthly basis. And that's something which is crazy, right? So the last speaker for the day, we have Mr. Rakesh Patil, sir. Sir, if you can hear me, please unmute yourself and go ahead.
Yeah, my voice is clear, Jatan?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Jatan. It was wonderful presentation. I think first time there is a wonderful presentation, which I never seen here till now. and a lot of people giving the wonderful testimonial. So friends, I would like to start my testimonial with my small introduction. My name is Rakesh Patel. Basically, I am from Rajasthan. I did my master into commerce and having a 12 years of corporate experience. And Jatan's from Bangalore. I started my career in Bangalore almost 12 years back and did a couple of jobs. And after that, I left my job and I came to my traditional business. And I didn't get success that I was looking for. And fortunately, there is with grace of God, I got this opportunity 27th back, April 2020, when Corona came into our life. And that time, this opportunity also entered in my life. The opportunity giver name is Mr. Ramesh Chaudhary. He's my mentor. He now shifted to Dubai. He's making almost close to 4 crores in a month. Again, it's a very, very big number. And so because of him, I'm in front of you. Always thankful. I always thank to him. Because of him, I'm living a life which I was looking for. So friends, as I told that I started this opportunity 27th back, April 2020, and started as a customer. As you see, as you saw, seen this, Jatan was asking, there's three kind of people who want to use the service and want to see how it works. So I also would like that kind of person, and started this opportunity, seeing the want to see the result of the services and all, want to see the product and all. So started with the automation services and getting good result, and slowly I came to know about this network marketing. I can see the referral income, and somebody that my mentor told me, if you do these things and you can make good money as well. Then I thought, okay, let me try. So friends, started, and within 3.5 months, the money which I was making in 12 years of corporate experience, start making in within a 3.5 months. And that's why I was become very serious on that, and I started building the business. And now almost 27 months, almost make very good amount of money. Not only the money, the time and money, deadly combination. I'm enjoying here the foreign trips. Every 3 months we are going for the foreign trips. We went to South Africa, Malaysia. We're going for the Barcelona and all. So life has become awesome, friends. And I'll share you my screen also, the how much money I make. The showing the money is not about like showing impress you. It's all about how this platform, how this powerful platform can help anybody who want to make money, who want to make big money through the services and all. So friends, I will share you my automation income. As you can see, the now $2,500 I already withdrawn this profit. As you can see in my name. If I show you last 3 months income, you can see 1,251. If I go for the last almost 2 years, so it's almost around $12,000 I made here. So I just put the time here from last 20, and here I'll put 06 05 2020. So friends, you can see almost closely $13,700 I made through one of the services which is offered by IX. And I'll tell you one more thing, which I doing the manual trading, where company also teaches us, as Jatan told us. Now again, this is my account, Rakesh Patel, and today there is no market is closed. I didn't made profit. If I go for the last week, you can see here $484, approximately 35,000 rupees in INR I made here. If I go for the last month profit, friends, again you can see closely more than $5,000, closely 4 lakh rupees I made here. So friends, you can see this is the powerful platform. It's up to us how we are utilizing. So friends, apart from that, we have the depth product, which a lot of people shared. That also we are getting the good profit on that also. I'll be sharing you how much I made through the referral income, where we helping a lot of society, the friends, relatives, and all. They can make money using the services and all. So friends, this is my account, back office account. You can see the Rakesh Patel, and is already there in the wallet. You can see 14,700, more than 10 lakh rupees in the wallet itself. It was not there. That money was there in when I was working the job. It was 14 to the INR. So it's feeling good insidely when we have a good money in our wallet, bank balance and all. So I'll show you, friends, that is how much is a referral bonus. As you can see, 3,500 sponsor bonus, VIP bonus 24,000, binary bonus $51,000, rank bonus 14,800, and different bonuses, friends. So if I already totaled this bonuses in the calculator, you can see 94,000 I just made to the referral. Only to the referral, friends. If I calculate it by today's rate is 78, but I'll just go on the round figure 75. I already made more than 70 lakh rupees to the referral marketing. Apart from that, I made good money to the networking, sorry, through the product itself. So as you can see, almost I made closely 1 crore once year, which is again, as most of the people have the dream income. And again, it's for me also is the dream income. I'm able to buy my house. Everything is there because of this. So friends, it's a very powerful platform. There's nothing to lose here. The lot of things we can gain here, the knowledge, the money, the time, everything we can get here. So I would like to tell you that the person who is invited, you can contact and get the more information. Don't miss this opportunity. Very good opportunity. Thank you so much for joining this call. Thank you. Over to you, Jati.
Thank you so much, sir. That was crazy. You would have just seen the type of money that he's made. Man. He's literally minting money. He's got liquid assets parked in his wallet itself, right? It's like you're having 10 lakh rupees in your wallet. That's crazy. So, as you would have heard, guys, from all of these people, you would have heard about live proof. Why they showed you their income was because they wanted to show you proof. Because you would have seen a lot of people claiming things, but we don't just claim, we showed you with proof. And you would have seen a lot of people making money, actually making money by taking advantage of the markets. Like I said, I'd brief it up again. You can make money actively by trading on your own. You can make money passively by using our automated service. You can make money through the referral model. You can make money all in so many different ways, through the blockchain, through the NFTs, everything else, right? So make sure that the person who gave you this link, whether it's a live link, whether it's a recorded link, make sure that you are telling him these 3 magical words, that is sign me up and get started, guys, and you will be kickstarting your journey towards financial freedom. So thank you so much. This is Jathan Anthony signing off. Have an amazing day, have an amazing weekend, and I hope you guys enjoy your life as well. See you all.